Collar. What are you two doing? Ugh. Holy moly. Okay, is that enough? Did you have enough? Is it time for dinner? Is it time for dinner? What do you think? Time for dinner? I think so. Okay, let's go.